Imagine having skin so flawless and radiant that it almost appears to look like glass. Skin so luminous that you can almost see your reflection off of it. This is called glass skin, and by far, it's one of the most attractive and aesthetic routines that any man could have. But achieving glass skin isn't easy, especially for Black men with melanated skin. Most of the routines and products out there aren't made for melanated skin types like yours and mine. And on top of all of that, most of the glass skincare routines on the internet aren't what you'd call budget-friendly. But fear not. If you're a Black man looking for a glass skincare routine that actually works for your complexion and won't burn a hole in your wallet, then congrats. You found just the right video. In this comprehensive guide, I'll be showing you a powerful glass skincare routine tailored specifically for Black men. Based off of Korean skincare principles, I can guarantee you will achieve the results you're looking for while still being affordable. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Now, let's get started. To understand what glass skin actually is, let's break it down. Glass skin is skin that's clean, clear, and luminous with an almost completely flawless complexion. It's skin that's so clear and hydrated, it gives off a shiny and almost reflective appearance. Commonly found in Korean skincare routines, glass skin is achieved through a combination of cleansing, hydrating, and nourishing the skin. And yes, men's skin needs just as much attention as women's skin. The idea that men shouldn't take care of their skin is quite literally barbaric. To successfully achieve glass skin, you need a routine that addresses acne, dark marks, hyperpigmentation, razor bumps, imperfections, and has some sort of anti-aging element to it. So let's dive into the steps of this powerful glass skincare routine tailored for Black men. First up, cleansing. According to Korean skincare, you don't just want to cleanse your face once, but twice. Double cleansing is key to achieving a clear foundation to work with. Start with an oil cleanser to remove any oil or oil-like substances from your face, like sweat and sunscreen. Biome's Milky Oil Cleanser is a great budget-friendly option at just $12. Follow up with a gentle cleanser like Cetaphil's Gentle Skin Cleanser to hydrate and cleanse your skin without stripping it. This one will only cost you $8.79. Next, it's time to exfoliate. Exfoliating your skin helps to shed off dead skin cells and gives you a new, youthful layer of skin. But forget harsh face scrubs. Opt for a chemical exfoliant instead. Polish Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Exfoliant is a superior formulation that produces results, costing about $13. Now onto moisturizing. Instead of just using one moisturizer, we're going to double moisturize. Start with a moisturizing essence, like CosRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, which contains powerful ingredients to brighten and repair your skin. A smaller bottle will only cost you $8.50. Follow up with Biome's Moisturizing Gel Cream, containing ceramides and niacinamide to hydrate and support your skin's health. This one's $15. And don't forget sunscreen during the day. Without it, all of our efforts to remove hyperpigmentation and dark marks will go to waste. Overall, this entire skincare routine will only cost you $59.25, and by following it in order, you can achieve youthful, luminous, flawless glass skin for under $60. How's that for glass skin on a budget? If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you super enjoyed it, leave a super thanks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smooth like glass.